In this quick tutorial, we're gonna take a look at Entrata. So basically, this platform will help you run your business. So they offer a lot of products from property operations, such as lead manager, accounting, budgeting, job costing, and much more. They also have AI and automations, resident experience, and analytics. Now, if you want to get access to it, you can also watch the demo. So as you can see, in order to book a demo before paying for any subscriptions, you're gonna have to fill in this form, and then they will help you get a demo that will basically allow you to try the software first. But overall, this is a great software if you manage a lot of properties. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.